So 1987, this is my dad's programme from the 1987 match, which is incredible considering we did the business. We bet Kilkenny. There's all our wonderful team members. And that's my uncle there, Sylvie Linnane, who's also here in this picture with Peter Finnerty. Brendan Linsky. So, and then we have obviously poor Tony Keady, who unfortunately passed away. He's somewhere in one of these programs, maybe not in this one. There's Noel Lane as well, Steve Meán. Right, I'll show you these ones. So I have the 1980 All-Ireland winning hurling team there. It's my dad's programme again. And then we have the 1987 All-Ireland winning teams as well, who bet Kilkenny. And then the 1988 team, who bet Tip. And then we have the All-Ireland winning junior champions, 1996. This is my father, Micheál, who's Sylvie's brother. And then here is our All-Ireland Intermediate Hurling Champions in 1999 with Sean Silk, who's one of the ex-Galway hurlers, my cousin Enda, and it's my dad again, who's the manager. And obviously these are some of these players, like from Gort. Himself there played from Ollie Fahey from Gort, and then John Cummins is also from Gort, who was one of our goalkeepers, is also the manager of the the minor team, which is great. There he is from Gort, and that's Anthony Cunningham, one of the ex-Galway managers. That's poor Tony Keady, who has passed away. And I have I just found this the other day. That's the 1981 All-Ireland Final stub ticket, but I actually found, believe it or not, the winning All-Ireland stub ticket for the 1980s final, which we won. And then these are the autographs I got: PJ Malloy, John Connolly, Joe Connolly, Finbar Gantley, Uncle Sylvie, and that's my auntie who played the Galway Senior Camogie, and that's my dad's signature. And I have some more of the team as well. I actually got Meán Murharthick, and I also have, where's it gone? Somewhere along here. No. Oh, Roger Clark, sorry, that's, oh yeah, Frank Burke, Joe Cooney, and Joe Connolly, Joe McDonough, who unfortunately has passed away as well, and Sean Silk again. So yeah, so they were after all the matches. So I've been lucky enough to go to all of the games. I've been there when they've won and when they've lost. So best of luck, Galway Abu! Yeah!